Alright, you guys, so I've already done this in a previous video in a previous home that I lived in, and I just love the way it came out. So as you can see, I have two foam boards here. These are from the Dollar Tree. I just got some regular plastic cups that I'm going to be using to put the paint down inside of. Dollar Tree masking tape. I got this ashtray from Dollar Tree. I use this to like put my paintbrush in. That way it's not touching anything. The paintbrush from the Dollar Tree as well. And so to get started, only thing I'm going to be doing is placing the masking tape on this foam board in different shapes, different sizes. I'm going to go ahead and do it and show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you can see, I have put the tape down on this one. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, and then I'm going to start applying the paint one color at a time. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm really excited. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, and I'll be back. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. I am just 2 colors in. And as you see, you do not have to be perfect. But I will say I stopped using that Dollar Tree paintbrush because like the hair was just, the bristles were just shedding. Like I don't like, can you see it? Like that's one thing I don't like. When I first started, the bristles were just coming off. So the purple has a little bit of bristles in it, but I'm hoping you can't even see it. So I'm gonna keep going and I'll be back. Alright, I am 4 colors in, and the only thing I would say as a piece of advice is to make sure that your tape is like firmly down on the board, because when I did the black, I noticed that it went through a little bit, went underneath the tape where I didn't press it down securely enough. But I'm hoping I can clean it up with some white paint. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and keep going. Alright, y'all, so I am all done. This is how they turned out. I love it. There are a couple places I could go and fix the blemishes, but y'all, I honestly don't feel like it. There's a big spot over here. It's still drying where it actually like peeled up. But that was my fault. I just kept right on going peeling it. Like, anyway, so I'm going to go ahead, let that finish drying, and then I'm going to put them up and show you what it look like. Alright, you guys, so this is what it's looking like. It is all done and finished. Not bad. Yeah, so take this and make it your own. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!